Good afternoon to all my awesome friends. Thank you so much for stopping by. I wanted to tell you a sad story that had a happy ending. I had somebody break my window at work. They went through the car, tearing everything up inside and making a big old mess. But for whatever reason, I don't think they even took anything. I think they just wanted to break the window and hoping something exciting was in my car. They found nothing that they wanted and just left a mess. Well, that left me with a problem, a broken window and a tropical storm coming in. I was very lucky that I found a company that was able to replace that window in a timely manner, even though the window was not easily found to replace. And I know that because I checked several glass companies. But this wonderful company here in Rialto was managed to find me a window, and they had it installed in less than 30 minutes on Saturday before the big storm. Oh, I was so relieved. They did a great job, got it done in a timely manner and no problem. I was so happy, and I wanted to let you all know about this company in Rialto. They're on Foothill, so it's easy to find, and they're at 352 Foothill Boulevard, right across from the Bank of America. And you know how good it is to find an auto glass company that does what they say. And that made me very happy. And I wanted to share this company with you if you need to have glass repaired. Also, I didn't even mention, they were really the cheapest one around on top of it. So you never know, just because someone is cheap doesn't mean they can't give great service. They gave me wonderful service, and I'm very happy about it. So I wanted to share this wonderful company with you. Don't forget 352 Foothill Boulevard in Rialto, right across from Bank of America. Easy to find, and it's not very far off of Riverside Avenue also. So I feel like I got a good service for a great price, and I have no complaints at all. So let's give them an A+. So if anyone needs any work done, you know where to go. They do lots of things. They do smog checks, oil changes, and all kinds of different things at this location. But like I said, I dealt with a glass company here, and they all did great work. Very reasonable, and came right up and gave great service. Don't forget, if you need some great service, this is a great place to go. And you know, I always feel when I go in, I always feel a little intimidated that I'm a woman. They're going to think, oh, I'm stupid, and I'm not going to check around. But I did, and they were A+ company.